This conference will now be recorded.
Right. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, now, yeah.
No, it's okay. Okay. Yeah, can you please share your email ID, Mugda? In GoToMeeting chat box is there, na? Can you please share your email ID? Means what were the recorded session, everything I need to update on Drive.
Yeah. Yeah, sent.
Okay. Yeah, I need a Gmail ID, yeah, not Yahoo.
You need Gmail, okay.
Because a Google Drive access on Gmail, right? Not for Yahoo.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. I will send everything to this mail ID. What are the course content, everything I will share with this email ID.
Okay.
Okay. So, chalo, so next. Yes. So today onwards we're going to start this administration, Salesforce administration. Okay, what are the roles and responsibilities of the Salesforce administrator? So
Mm-hmm.
one is as a system administrator. Okay, so I can implement the applications so without writing the code, right? As a system administrator, I'm going to implement the applications without writing code. So that is first point. And coming to the second point, I can manage my entire company, my organization. As system administrator, I can manage entire my organization, right? So if you want to access the Salesforce, so if you want to work with Salesforce, obviously we need one Salesforce account. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Obviously
Yeah.
we need one Salesforce account. Then how to create the Salesforce account? Is it free? Yes, absolutely. So for the learners, a Salesforce given to us a free version, so we can access a full featured a Salesforce platform.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. So now our first topic is how to create a Salesforce account.
Mm-hmm.
Right? How to create a Salesforce account. Got it. So first we need to go to www.salesforce.com. CC www.developer dot developer.salesforce.com. First, we need to enter this domain in our address bar of a browser, and then after you will get one screen, you will get one website. In that website, the topmost right side we are having one a green color sign up button is there. Topmost right side we are having one a green color sign up button is there. So just we have to click on that green color sign up button, and then you will
Mm-hmm.
get one form. Then you will get one form. The
Yeah,
form
Shiva?
contains what? Some
Yeah.
yes.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I already have created the account.
Okay, you already created account. So what
Yeah.
type of account? Okay, the same this way, or see we can create the Salesforce account in different ways, right? So
Okay.
those are the not full featured free versions, right? So
Mm.
not a those are the only trial versions. Those are the all trial versions, right?
Trial work.
So if
Okay, okay.
yes, if you created a account like this, okay, so then it will be the full means what? So lifelong free version. It's not a
Ah,
trial. So in
I
trial
see.
version, so how many days, what was the age of that account? How many days you created?
I think 30 days, no?
30 days. Okay. So trial versions will be provided 45 days or 60 days only. Right. So then after we cannot access. Okay. So let me, as of now you're using laptop.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'm giving permissions to you. Can you please share your screen and just you can log into your account? I given permissions. Can you
Uh,
please accept this?
yeah, I mean, I actually created that account couple of days back. I need to find the credentials, but yeah,
Okay. Okay. No
I
problem.
don't have
Okay.
it
No
handy.
problem. Wait.
You can
Okay,
take.
so
Yeah.
just you can find out that credentials later. Okay, so but this is
Okay.
the way I'm showing what are the process. Okay,
Sure.
so later if you're not finding any credentials about what was the old account, so just you
Yeah.
can create a new account with another Gmail ID. It's a free, right?
Uh-huh.
So this is not
Yeah.
a cost now. It's a free. You can create a one more thing, and what was the username and password? Please share in our group. WhatsApp group is in. Please share. Why? Because so tomorrow session onwards, I'm going to use that account, right?
Uh,
So what was the account you are creating, free account, I'm going to use that account. You got my
yeah.
point, right? And what was the password? I will show live how to create this one.
Mhm.
Just you can login to what?
Can I, sorry.
Developer.salesforce.com.
Yeah,
Yes.
I just found the email. Should I show you when I got that for the when I created the account?
Which email you got? One email from the Salesforce, right?
Yeah. So, can I show you now?
Yes, it's obviously. Can I give the
Yeah.
permissions to you?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I given permissions to you. Show me.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So, which screen do you see?
Yes.
Do you see this
Okay.
screen? Uh-huh.
Yes, right. So just
So,
click on that very,
yeah. So
just click,
I just logged in with
see,
this
see.
with this.
See, right side top, you can see here. So days left in trial, 72,
Uh-huh.
right side
Yeah.
top. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is not a full lifetime free version. This is just a
Uh-huh.
trial version. This is
Okay.
just a trial version. Got it?
Got
Okay.
got it.
Obviously, you have to create a new account. What I'm
Okay.
saying now, you have to create that one, right?
Yeah.
So then that is not a trial version. That is not a trial
Mm.
version. Okay. So
Okay.
lifelong you can access 1 year, 2 years, 3 years like that,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So chalo. So just you can observe carefully. See.
Yeah.
So first we have to go here, developer.salesforce.com. Okay. I'm going to send this a link to your chat box. You can
Mm-hmm.
copy and paste somewhere, right? See,
Yeah.
you have to maintain one notepad. Okay, just open one MS Word or something notepad. Just you can open, and what I'm saying, this type of links and everything, you have to copy paste, right?
Yeah.
Right, chalo.
Mm-hmm.
So developer.salesforce.com. So just you can go here, developer.salesforce.com. So here right side
Yeah.
top you're having sign up. Right side top you're having sign up, green color button is there. So just click
Mm-hmm.
here,
Mm-hmm.
sign up. Just click here, sign up.
Mm-hmm.
See, you will get this one. See here, a full featured copy of Lightning platform for free. For free.
Mm-hmm.
This is not a trial version. Free.
Mm-hmm.
Get your own developer version. Own
Okay.
developer version. The full feature. Everything is available here. Everything is available here. Right?
Yeah.
So here you have to provide your first name, last name, and email ID. Email ID should be working email ID. Got it? Email
Mm-hmm.
it should be working. Either it may be Gmail, Yahoo, or some XYZ, whatever it may be. You have to provide here a working Gmail ID, a working Gmail ID.
Mm-hmm.
Then after
Yeah.
role here you have to select administrator and
Mm-hmm.
company. You can provide anything like XYZ, ABC, or whatever it may be. And so country will be the United States and postal code. And then after here username. What was the email ID here you're providing? Same you can
Mm-hmm.
provide here username also, right?
Mm-hmm.
What was the email ID you're providing here? The same thing you have to provide here. Then I have to check this box.
Mm-hmm.
Check this box, just click here, sign me up. And you already shown now one email ID, one email. There was one blue color box is there, activate my
Yeah.
account. The
Yeah.
same email ID, the same email you will receive once again, right? So just click on activate, and then after you need to provide the a new password. Then after you need to provide a new password. What was the password? The password should be this one: Salesforce, all smart letters, Salesforce 123.
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce 123. Don't use your personal names and XYZ. So why? Because I am also accessing now. So that's why. So please provide Salesforce 123. Please provide a Salesforce 123.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Okay. So this
Yeah.
is the way to create a free lifelong Salesforce version. A free
Mm-hmm.
lifelong Salesforce version.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So what about so what you created? That is the trial version. I already told you, right? That is the
Yeah.
trial version. There was some limitation is there. Okay, there
Uh-huh.
was some limitation is there, but if you created this account, this is the
Uh-huh.
free lifelong, you can access
Right.
anytime. Got it?
Uh-huh.
See,
Yeah.
so now I'm going to access my account. I'm going to log in my account, right? How to log into my Salesforce? So this is for what? So creating a account. This is for what? Sign up,
Mm-hmm.
right? This is for what? Sign up. So if you want to create a new account, obviously you have to go here, developer.salesforce.com. If you want to log in into my Salesforce, if you want to log in by Salesforce, you have to use login.salesforce.com.
Mm-hmm.
Login.salesforce.com, right? Developer.salesforce.com for the what? Sign up, or login.salesforce.com for the login. right? So just you can enter login.salesforce.com. See here, login.salesforce.com. Observe my domain address bar, login.salesforce.com. So when you enter login.salesforce.com, obviously, so here you have to provide your username and password. Here you have to provide your username and password, right? Okay, I'm going to use my username and password. See, so I created this account long back ago, right? But still I'm accessing.
Yeah. Shiva, I want to ask you one more question. Um,
Okay.
so yeah. So if you can let me share the screen one more time. Uh, so
Okay.
I was on the trailhead also. Okay. So because I was just trying out couple of things on the trailhead. At that time, so if you see here, right, when I go here, when I go to hands-on org, right? So here I see I have two trailhead playground one and one two, right? So what are these? So like let's say when I launched these one, right? So the first one. So this
Right.
is going here. So is it connected with my which account?
See.
This is
Yeah.
different, no?
Yeah. Wait. So there was switch to classic is there na? One blue color text is there na? Options under the options we're having. Switch to the
Uh-huh.
classic. Just click on the
Yeah.
switch to classic.
Yeah.
Click on setup. Click on setup. Setup button is there na? Yes. Click
Yeah.
on setup. Okay. So just scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
No thanks. No thanks. Scroll down. Left side we are having company profile is there na? No. Just you can go a little bit top.
Company profile.
Or user manage users is there na? Just manage users. Expand
Yeah.
manage. Jai.
Manage users.
Manage. Yes. No. Ignore.
Ignore.
Scroll down a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
See here we are having first one users is there na? Click on
Uh-huh.
that users.
Uh-huh.
Small Mudda. Okay, so that is see. So second one is there na? Mudda.
Uh-huh.
Your name is there na? So just
Yeah.
yeah, that is the username. That is your username,
That is
right?
my
You are
username, but for
yes. You
which
are
account?
that's account only. That account
That's
only.
account. So is this the unlimited account?
Yes, this is an unlimited account. This is a free
Oh,
account.
this
This
is
is a
the
free
free
account.
account,
Yes,
but
if you
the
want to doubt, just scroll down a little bit the page. Scroll down a little bit the page.
uh-huh.
Left side we are having company profile is there na? Expand that company profile.
Company
Expand that company
profile.
profile.
Mhm.
Expand means what? There was one blue
Yeah,
button is
yeah,
there na? You have to click on that button. Yes, that is expand, right?
yeah.
Just click
Uh-huh.
on company information. Click on that.
Okay.
Wait. Scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
Percent. Yeah, 153. So. Okay, so this is a free version. This is the free version, right? Got it?
Is
Hello.
this, yeah, this is the
Yes.
developer edition, right?
Yes. This is the free version, right?
Oh,
How many
oh,
accounts you created, yeah?
yeah. No, actually, initially, I actually created this account, right? This one
Hmm.
you see
Yes,
now.
this is the trial version, na. So Trailhead doesn't accept this trial version, right? So that's why you
Right.
created that one.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you can see. So please maintain only one playground. Okay, don't maintain that two or three playgrounds. Okay. So why?
Okay.
Because Salesforce will get some confused, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
obviously you have to use one, right?
So should
Okay,
I
no
should
problem.
I should I delete it then? Disconnect.
Yeah, disconnect it.
Disconnect this?
Hmm. That's your wish.
Okay.
Disconnect.
Okay. So only one account.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
you can
because
access.
I need,
You can
yeah,
you can work on this trial head. So you
yeah.
already got 5 badges and 6,050 points, right?
Uh-huh.
Good. No problem. So whenever
Yeah.
having some time, just you can practice it. Not an issue, right?
Yeah, because outside people can see this, right? They don't see if I'm doing the training or whatever I'm doing, right? So like
See,
let's
see,
say,
see, I can even say, what was this trial head badges and points? In
Mhm.
real time, there is no use. Got it?
Yeah,
Real time,
okay.
there is no use. Simply, they are asking you are certified or not. Right? So why? Because here in this trial head, everything they already provided step by step. They already giving
Okay.
instructions. Just we are
Yeah,
following those instructions and we are
yeah.
achieving the task. That's enough. Right?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay. So just we are just they're providing some instructions, just we are following step by step and we are completing the task and they are providing one badge. See,
Mm-hmm.
so the trial head badges is nothing but what? So that is only for
Mm-hmm.
learners, right? That is only for learners, which doesn't use for the real-time job holders, right? So
Okay.
whenever applying a job, so I have 1,000 badges, then what we have to do? Simply they are saying, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
no, there is no use of these badges. Okay, so
Okay.
simply you have to complete your certification, right? Simply you
Okay.
have to complete your
Okay.
certification, right?
So, so like let's say if I just do your training, right? That should be enough, or do I also need to do the trailhead in addition
See,
to
see,
your training?
see. So when you want to do this trailhead is nothing but okay.
Uh-huh.
See, after completion of the training, after
Uh-huh.
completion of the training, so if you want to improve yourself the knowledge, see every year Salesforce every
Mhm.
year Salesforce releases three versions: summer, winter, spring. Right,
Mhm.
every year Salesforce releases three versions: summer, winter, spring. So
Uh-huh.
why they are releasing these versions means every version, so they are adding some more information, they're
Mhm.
adding some more features to us, right?
Okay.
See, you are taking training as of now summer 2020. You are taking
Mhm.
training in summer 2020. So next October, so October
Mhm.
16th they release a winter 2021. So they added some modules there, right? Okay, so
Okay.
that time also we're paying money for that new modules? No,
Yeah.
right? Obviously not, right? Obviously not,
Mhm.
right? Why?
Mhm.
Because you know some knowledge related to this Salesforce administration. Got my point? Obviously, you know
Mhm.
some knowledge related to the Salesforce administration means what? Almost 70 to 80% you have some hands-on experience, right?
Okay.
So next, what
Okay.
was the modules they introduced? What was the modules they introduced in the next version? And obviously, what was the names and something that information? So we can search in this trailhead, right?
Mhm.
So there was some topics is there, right? So which topic you want, just you can select the topic, just you can learn, you can improve your knowledge. Okay, so you
Mhm.
can improve your knowledge by using this a trial head or a trial blazer. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
that purpose
So,
only we are going
yeah.
to use these two things. Okay, so for initially, obviously, we need to do the training, right?
Okay, okay, okay. So, I mean, I was just getting confused that do I also have to do the trailhead or the
Yeah.
training, but
Okay.
just
So so my suggestion is, so please stop working on this style head. Okay.
okay,
So
good.
please stop
Yeah,
working on this style head. So what I'm saying, just you can follow me. What I'm
mhm.
saying is just you can
Yeah,
follow me. After completion of the training, obviously I will give some instructions. So Mudda, you have to do these tasks in this trailhead. Got
yeah.
my point? Okay, so
Okay,
that time onwards we can use it. Okay, so
okay,
that time onwards. So when you are using that time, so just you are improving your knowledge,
yeah,
right? Improve your knowledge. So for the
yeah.
learning, you have to obviously do the training, right? So if
Good.
you want to improve your knowledge, so that time you can go for this trial head or trial blazer or whatever it may be, any website, just you can go, right? So why?
Sure.
Because so that time you already some information, some
Yeah,
information, right?
sure,
Okay,
sure.
so chalo, right? Okay,
Sounds
so
good.
as of
Sounds good.
yeah,
So
okay, okay,
I'll just focus on the training, and like after
yes.
the certification or anything, right? Then I can go to the trailhead. But at least right now for the certification, I just want to focus on one thing, right? Whatever you are going to teach me, and then we will see.
See, one more thing. So
Mhm.
don't focus that much of knowledge for the certification. Why? Because I have certification dumps is there. As of now, spring 2020 will be as of now running. So this
Mhm.
must 21st onwards means after 10-15 days. So
Mhm.
summer 20 will be released. Okay, so don't worry. So after 1 month, means after this month, the 25th, you can plan your certification. I will help you. Okay,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So as of now, in my training, what was the task I'm giving? What was the modules I'm teaching? So please practice those things.
Yes.
Please, please remove in your brain all the six trailhead, trailblazer certification, everything, right?
Okay.
So
Okay.
focus on modules, right?
Okay. Thank you,
Sure.
Shiva.
So why? Because see, certification, that is a small thing, right?
Yeah.
So behalf of the you only I can write. That's not a big deal, right?
Really?
Behalf of the you only, yes, obviously, right?
Yeah.
Obviously, you are getting your name only in your certification, right?
Okay.
Okay. So no one can ask, yeah. So where you are writing, how you are writing, right? You are holding certification or not? That's enough, right?
Okay.
So in the certification name, we are having my name or not? That's enough.
Okay.
In cloud, we are having okay, I'm stopping sharing you. Okay, can I share my screen?
Sure, sure. Go ahead.
Right. For
Hi, hi,
example,
Shiva.
see here. Yeah,
Mhm.
hi, Madhu. Hi.
Yeah, I joined.
Good evening, Madhu. Yeah. Okay, so just you can come here. So verification is there.
Uh-huh.
Verification. This is globally verified. The certification, I think, but what? Globally verified.
Mhm.
Got it. So once you completed the certification, your
Mhm.
certification information will be available here. So here you have to provide your name. Here you have to provide your name. Right? So then how many certifications you are holding, everything
Mhm.
will be available. So can I show my one of my student certification?
Mhm.
See everything. So I'm giving dumps to my students. Right? So they are clearing. So this month, today is 6th now,
Mhm.
14th, so that they're having a service cloud exam. Service cloud, not admin development. Service cloud means what? High-end exams. Right? I'm giving support to the those type of exams only. Let's
Mhm.
see. I'm showing. I'm showing copy of web scissor email. Right. Paste. Array, what happened? Wait. 1 second.
Mhm.
1 second.
Okay.
Because web scissor login is different and the user login will be different. Edit
Okay.
profile. See, are you able to see my screen? So my one
Yes.
of the student, right?
Mhm.
So this guy holding sales cloud completed, administrator completed, right?
Mhm.
And coming to the this month, where is my assignments?
Mhm.
So like this globally, you can find out your details. Got it?
Okay.
Globally, right? So here like this, just you can go to verification.salesforce.com. Just you can find out. See here, this month 14th, this guy having exam. That is
Mhm.
what a service cloud. So previously that guy completed. See,
Mhm.
admin development like that. Right. Okay, so like that they're asking, so whether you have completed your certification or not. Right. So who completed your certification? Right. So don't ask that type of questions. Right.
Okay.
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 Shalom.
Got it.
Okay. So today's first topic is what? So first, how to create a Salesforce account. Okay.
Okay.
You already holding one account now. So just
Uh-huh.
you can, okay, so try to log in with your account and what
Yeah.
was the username and password, just you can store somewhere. And then after, so in next session onwards, we'll use that a username and password. Right?
Okay.
Okay. And then after. So which mobile you are using as of now?
Which what?
Which mobile you are using?
iPhone 7?
iPhone 7. Okay, so in that iPhone 7, for example, so if you want to upgrade to the iPhone 11 Pro like that, yeah, Mugdha, just give me 2 minutes. Madhu, give me just 2 minutes. I'm getting call.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Okay.
No
Yes,
problem.
hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, Madhu, are you there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. See here. So whenever you're migrating your mobile, when you're
Mm-hmm.
updating your mobile to the new mobile, iPhone 11, or it might be Android or BlackBerry,
Mm-hmm.
right? Obviously, so first of all, so we need to know what are the features we are having, right?
Mm-hmm.
So first of all, we need to know what are the features we are having. So what type of okay information they are providing to us, right?
Mm-hmm.
The same way we created one Salesforce account. We
Mm-hmm.
created one a Salesforce account. So what are the things that the Salesforce provide to us? What are the things a Salesforce provide to us? So
Mm-hmm.
obviously we need to know that information. You
Mm-hmm.
got my point? So
Yeah.
means so what are the menu items? What are the things a Salesforce provide to us? Means what? So once we know, so then only we can use. Right? For
Mm-hmm.
example, you don't know how to connect to the Wi-Fi. For example, if you reach your friend's home, right? So how to connect to your Wi-Fi? Obviously, that is a big deal that time. That is a
Yeah.
big task. So once
Yeah.
you know how to connect to the Wi-Fi, and just you can go to friend home, just you're asking, just tell me the password. So just you are entering the password and you're connected to the Wi-Fi.
Uh-huh.
How to make a call, right? How to send a message, right? How to install the applications, right? Okay. So next one is what? Something different type of setting. For example, face recognition, those type of things.
Yeah.
Got my point, right?
Yeah.
So like that, the same thing. So we created one Salesforce account. So first we need to know of what are the things a Salesforce provide to us. Got my
Uh-huh.
point? What are
Yeah.
the things a Salesforce provide to us? First we need to know those information, and
Mm-hmm.
then after, so we can use it. For example, say in future. So just I'm saying. So Mugda, you can go to my profile. So where is
Mm-hmm.
my profile? Where is my profile available? Still question
Mm-hmm.
mark. But
Mm-hmm.
so once we know everything, okay, what are the things we're having? So where it is available? So when I'm saying, so Mudya, you can go for my profile. Simply you can go for the my profile, my
Mm-hmm.
settings, like that, right? See, so someone knows how to log in the Salesforce, but they don't know how to log out, right? Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
why? Because so there is not directly available in logout option. Obviously, you
Mm-hmm.
have to go to a user menu. So under the user menu we're having a logout, but
Mm-hmm.
someone don't know, so where is logout? Still they are searching, still they are
Mm-hmm.
searching, right? So that's the reason. So first we need to know today of what are the homepage components we are having, what are the things Salesforce provide to us, what are the things a Salesforce provide to us. First we'll see, first we'll see. Got it? So this is my Salesforce homepage. This is my Salesforce homepage. So just I'm going to make it as my Salesforce homepage into 5 parts. Just I'm going to make it my Salesforce homepage into 5 parts.
Mhm.
Right. So this is a topmost left, and this one is a topmost right side, and this one is what left side. This one is middle of the page, and this one is what right side. This one is what right side. Got it. Okay, so this is my Salesforce homepage. Okay, so just I did a 5 partitions. Just I did a 5 partitions. Right. So let's see. So topmost right side we are having. So what are the options? Right. So first we'll discuss this part. See here we are having a switch to the lightning experience. A switch to the lightning experience. So in our Salesforce we are having 2 types of experience. So one is a classic and second one is lightning. One is what? A classic. One is classic and second one is what? A lightning. Classic and lightning. Okay, so this is classic. So as of now what we are using, this is classic. So when you click here it will be redirected to the lightning experience. When you click here it will be redirected to the lightning experience. So what is lightning and what is classic? What is lightning and what is classic? See, in our classic we are having some disadvantages in my development, not for admin, right? Administration will be common for the both classic and lightning, right? So the issues will be rising in classic. The issues will be happening my classic version of the Salesforce, right? So if you overcome those things, and obviously we are moving to the lightning version. Obviously we are moving to the lightning version. Okay, so for administration, both the classic and lightning same, right? Don't confuse, right? So you will get one doubt, Shiva, I'm learning this administration classic, and what about lightning? If someone asks for lightning administration, what I have to do, right? The same thing happened in admin and lightning. Both are same, comes under the administration. There is no difference between a classic administration and lightning administration. Okay, in lightning administration they are added 2 or 3 more modules. So not an issue, so not a problem. Got it, right? So basically in Salesforce we're having 2 versions, that is classic and lightning. So as of now we are using classic. So if you want to switch to the lightning, just you can click here, then immediately you are switching to the lightning, right? And then after, so here Shiva, what is this? This is called the user menu. This is called the user menu. So which user account this one? Shiva. So that's why here I got my name, right? So when you click here, so we got 5 options. One is my profile, second one is my settings, third one is a developer console, and fourth one is switch to lightning experience, and fifth one is logout. And fifth one is what? Logout. Okay, see, logout means what? So if you want to exit from the Salesforce, if you want to exit from the Salesforce, obviously you have to use this logout. Click on that logout, then immediately just you are coming out from the Salesforce. You are coming out from the Salesforce. Right, that is called the logout. Next one, switch to the lightning experience. Same thing we already discussed. Right, the same option, switch to the lightning experience. So if you want to switch to the lightning, obviously you have to go. Right, next one, developer console. Developer console. Developer console is nothing but so this is a developer workspace. This is a developer workspace to write the programs. To write the programs. This is the developer workspace to write the programs. Got it, right? So when you click here developer console, and obviously it will be redirect to the developer console. So here as a developer I'm writing programs. As a developer I'm writing what? Programs. See, as a developer I'm writing a programs here. Got it? Okay, so like this, so we have to write the a program. Like this we have to write the programs, right? So these type of code we are writing as a developer, right? So don't worry, so we are not a developers, we are the administrators, don't think. Okay, we are not using a developer console also, right? Shallow. And then after my settings, then after what? My settings. What is the meaning of my settings? What's the meaning of my settings? This is user, this is Shiva's user, Shiva's settings, Shiva's user settings, right? So when you click here my settings, when you click here my settings, you can see, so you will get some options related to this user. you will get some options related to this user. See here, left side we're having personal, display and layout. Okay, so and email and chatter. Got it? Email and chatter and calendar and reminders, desktop add-ons. Right? You will get this type of things. You will get this type of things. So when you expand here personal, see here personal information. When you click here personal information, you have to provide your personal information. See, so where you're working, okay, so where you're working, everything, your username like that. Got it? And then you can scroll down what was the address and what was the work information. So which company you're working, what was the title, which department, which division, employee number, okay, what was the start of the day, end of the day means what? So your working hours. You're working on 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock now, like that. Okay. So here you have to provide your working address. Right. So like that, you have to provide your details. Like that, you have to provide your details. So this is what a personal information. If you want to change your password, just you can come here, change my password. Right. Change my password. See what was the current password and what are the new password, what are the security questions when you're creating a new password. You have to provide this information, just you can change it. Right. Okay, so these are the things we are having. So don't worry. So we'll see everything step by step in depth later. So now today, so what are the things we are having? Where it is. That's enough. Right. So we'll see in depth step by step later. Got it? So then after this is what? Profile, my profile, user profile. Who is a user? He or Shiva is the profile. She has the user. This user profile. And then after just you can come here, my profile. This is my setting. Sorry, this is my profile. My profile is nothing but what? See, when I click here my profile, it will be a look like a Facebook. See, my profile look like a Facebook. So what you doing by using Facebook? So if you want to communicate with your friends, right? If you want to communicate with your group members, same thing. The same thing happened here also. So actually, my Wi-Fi was not working today. I connected to the mobile data, so that's why today is a little bit slow. But don't worry. Okay. See here. So post. You can post something. You can post something. You can send a file. You can share a link. You can make a poll or make a question, like that Facebook. See here. All the posts. Okay. So this is a poll, right? So this is question. What is CRM? Right? It's a question. Okay, so updates, anything, everything will be available here. This is like a Facebook, right? You can communicate with your employees, you can communicate with your colleagues, you can communicate with your group members also. So when I click here overview, let's see. So how many groups we are having? You can create groups, you can join the groups. How many followers you are having? How many followers you are having? How many members you are following? Okay, so about me, everything you have to provide. Right? Okay, everything will be here available. So here you can add your image and everything. Got it? Right? So this is just like a what? This is just like a Facebook. So for communication purpose, got it? So in my profile, see here, in this my profile, my settings, developer console, switch to the Lightning experience and logout, comes to the user menu, comes to the what? A user menu, right? And then after we are having setup. What's the meaning of setup? Do you have any idea?
Setting up settings, like,
Setting up the setting. Okay, so let's see. You are using iPhone 7, right? So in that iPhone 7, at bottom of the phone, we are getting one round color button, right? So what's the use of that button?
to
When
turn
you
off.
click on that button, right? So when you click on that button, obviously it will shows your home screen of your mobile, right? Right, home screen of your mobile means what? The same way. So when we click here setup, so we can show our Salesforce homepage. right? So when we click here setup, it shows our a Salesforce homepage. Got my point? So when we click here setup, okay, it will shows a Salesforce homepage. Let's see. Okay, so I'm clicking here setup.
Uh-huh.
I'm clicking here setup. Right. Then you can it will be landed to my a Salesforce homepage. This is my Salesforce homepage. This is my
Okay.
a Salesforce homepage. Right. In our Salesforce, we are having two types of the homepages. So one is Salesforce homepage, and second one is the user homepage. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So one is a Salesforce homepage, and second one is what? The user homepage.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? So this is Salesforce homepage. So then where we can find out this user homepage? Where we can find out this user homepage? See, so left side top we are having home. So before the charter we are having home. See here, this one.
Yeah.
Before charter we are having home, right?
Mhm.
So when you click this one, so when you click here, and obviously you are able to access, obviously you are able to access our user homepage, our
Okay.
user homepage. Got it? So this is our user homepage. See here, user Shivavai August 16, 6th, 2020. Right,
Uh-huh.
see here, everything. So what was the charter means what are the polls and everything, what was the events and what were the tasks and what are the items to be approved. Everything means what user related information available here. Got it? User related information available here. This is called the user homepage. This is called the user homepage. Right? In our Salesforce, we're having two types of the home pages. So one is user homepage and second one is what? Salesforce homepage.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Yeah. Everything clear as of
Yeah.
now or any doubts?
No.
Right. Good. Okay. So then after setup we are having help. After setup we are having what? Help. What is the meaning of this help? What is the meaning of this help? I already told to you. For example, see, so every year Salesforce releases three versions. Every year Salesforce releases three versions. Like that, every year Salesforce releases so three certification versions also. Like
Mm-hmm.
summer, winter, spring. We're having versions in summer, winter, spring. Now, the same way, the certification versions also we are having three: a summer, winter, spring.
Mm-hmm.
Summer, winter, a spring. Got it? So, for
Mm-hmm.
example, as of now we are using a summer 20. So next in October, so winter 21st will be released. Right? Winter or 21st will be released. So, of what are the things they released in winter 21st? Right? So, how we can work? What was the usage? Everything, if you want to know, everything if you want to know, just you can go here help button. When you click here help, and obviously it will be redirected to the help.salesforce.com, help.salesforce.com. So this is a one community. This is a one Salesforce community. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
In this Salesforce community, you will get a Salesforce related information. You will
Mm-hmm.
get a Salesforce related information. Right? See, I'm clicking here this help. I'm clicking here this help, and it will be redirected to the another window. Okay, so to the connect help.salesforce.com to connect help.salesforce.com. Wait, it's loading. Yeah, today's my net is too slow.
Okay. Do you want me to share my screen?
Why? You already clicked on this help.salesforce.com.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Wait, yeah, you're too fast. Follow my instructions. Right? See,
Yeah. Okay.
got it. So this is Trailblazer community. You will get some help. What are the events conducted by the Salesforce, collaboration, idea exchange, featured groups, known issues, COVID-19. See here,
Mm-hmm.
healthcare data tracks, we will together like that. So app exchange resources, knowledge of resources. Okay, so like this, so we can get some information related to our Salesforce,
What is
right?
Mule?
See here, administrator side. What?
What is MuleSoft?
Well, that is another platform. MuleSoft is another platform, right? Okay, so Salesforce as of now working with that MuleSoft also, right?
Okay.
Okay, so here in this community, you will get some information related to the Salesforce. Now it is not required. Leave it. Okay, now it is not required. Then,
Good.
so here, a topmost as we're having sales. What is the sales? This is called the app menu. This is called the what? App menu. So here, what was the applications we're having in our Salesforce? All the applications you can access here. So what was the applications we are having in our Salesforce? All the applications. So we can access here in this app menu. See here. So when I click here app menu, see sales, service, marketing, sample, console, CMS, content, a new student, all tabs. Like okay, so these are the applications. These are the what? Applications. Got it. So these are the what? Applications. Got it. So what were the applications you created and what are the applications Salesforce given? All the applications will be complete. All the applications will be. For example, if you want to open a YouTube in your mobile, obviously we are swiping up or swiping left, right? So then you are able to see all the applications the same way here. Here you have, if you want to open any application, obviously you have to come here and select the application. Come here and select the application. Got my
Right.
point, right?
Yeah.
So this is app menu. So in topmost right side, we're having a switch to the lightning experience, a user menu, setup, help, and app menu. Setup, help, and app menu. Got it. Then
Yeah.
after coming to the topmost left, coming to the topmost left. In topmost left, we're having, so first one is what? A Salesforce logo. So first one is what? A Salesforce logo. So that is a Salesforce logo, right? So globally declared, that is a Salesforce logo. And then after we are having, so one guy is there, that guy holding love symbol, and then after we are having 20. What's that? What's that? So that is the indication of the version. That is the indication of the what? A version, right? So you know every year Salesforce releases what? Three versions: a summer, winter, and spring. Summer, winter, and spring. So this is the indication of the summer 2020. This is the indication of the summer 2020. This is the indication of the what? Summer 2020. So when they released winter 2021, obviously the icon will be changed. Icon will be changed, and what was the number here? We're having 20. It will be become say a 21. 21. Right? Okay. So like that, they are changing the every time the logo. Got it? And
Yeah.
then after we are having one search box. What is the search? What is the search? We're having two searches in our Salesforce. We're having how many searches? Two searches. See here, the search one and search two. This is search one, this is search two. Or we can call this one called as the a global search. We can call it as what? This one a global search. This one called as what? A global search. So this one we called as the quick find box or local search. Quick find box or local search. So what's the use of two searches? One is enough. Why Shiva? Why we are having two searches? So one is top and one is left. Right. So topmost will be a global search. So its name says means what? Global search means what? Here you can find out the database. Here you can find out what? Database. Right. Global search what? You can get the database. You can get the database. Right. And then
Database.
after here we're having database. Database is nothing but, for example, let's see. So in our contacts, see here, in our contacts, so we are having some data, we are having some records data. See here, for example, Sham. Okay, so just you can come here, just you can come here in global search, just you can enter the Sham. So when you enter Sham, obviously see here, so two records where contacts, see here, two records, right? Two
Yeah.
records available in this Sham, in this contacts object.
Yeah.
Right. So means in global search you can find out a database. In global search you can find out what? A database. These are the records. Records is nothing but database. Records is nothing but what? Database. right?
Okay.
Then,
So
so
in
quick
the
find
local
box. So what
search,
is this quick find box?
mm,
Tell me. In the local search,
yeah, so in the local search, if you find Sham, you will not be able to find it.
yes,
Uh-huh.
obviously, right? So then you can come here. Here you
Mhm.
can enter Sham. You can enter Sham. See, nothing will be happen. There is no output, null,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So what's the use of this local search? Quick find is nothing but so here, see left
Mhm.
side you can see these are the options we are provided by the Salesforce
Mhm.
administrator, bill, something like that. For example,
Mhm.
in our mobile we are having my settings. In our mobile we are having my settings. One gear color icon is there. When you click
Mhm.
on that my settings, see, so Wi-Fi, like a display, like a sound, something extra. We are having some options,
Mhm.
right? Got it. So those are the what? So those are the things related to your Salesforce.
Mhm.
Those are the things related to the Salesforce, right?
Mhm.
Sorry, mobile, right? The same way as a administrator, what are the things I can do? As a administrator, what are the things I can do? See, these are the, I can manage the users, can manage my application, can manage the territories, I can manage the company profile, a data classification, a security controls, domain management, communication templates, mobile administration, desktop administration, Outlook integration, Gmail integration, email administration. So these things will be as a administration, as an administrator, I can manage. Got it? As administrator, I can manage these things. As
Mhm.
administrator, manage these things. Right?
Mhm.
And then so as an administrator, if you want to build anything, if you want to create anything, just you can come here. Build is nothing but what creating. Building means what creating. Building is means what creating.
Mhm.
Got it? So building is nothing but what creating. Right? As an administrator, I can create. As a developer, I can create something. Build is option for the not only administrator, it both for the developer also. It both for the what a developer also. Right?
Mhm.
And then after deploy. So if you want to deploy your application, then obviously how to use this deployment. Then after monitor. As a system administrator, I have to monitor my entire organization. Entire organization. As a system administrator, okay, I want to organize my entire organization. So what amount of storage they are using, what amount of storage they are using, so what amount of applications they are creating, objects creating, everything we can organize, by using this monitor. As a system administrator, I can monitor. For example, our consultant Teja, right? So Teja will monitor each and every day. So whether Shiva taking the class or not, what are the
Mhm.
topics she discuss, right? Okay, so
Mhm.
like that. So as administrator, I can monitor. As administrator, I can monitor.
Mhm.
Got it? This is a
Yeah.
monitor settings. Then you can come down, see here. Okay, so this is what, for example, I want to create a application, right? I don't know where that option will be available. So simply just you can come here, type app. See what was the names we are having with app, everything will be available. See here, got it? So this is local search, quick find. This is local search. So means what? In this local search, you can find out what was the Salesforce menu items. In this
Mhm.
local search, you can find out what was the Salesforce menu items. Salesforce menu items. Got my point? See here. So when we click here, expand all, every option will be expanded like this. Every option will be expanded. Menu, topic, subtopic, like that. When you click here, collapse all, everything will be collapsed.
Mhm.
Got it? Right?
Yeah.
Then after we're having, what is this? Lightning experience transition assistance. Madhu, this question for you. Madhu, what is lightning experience transition assistance?
Yeah, it is for
Yeah,
to go
you can
into
guess
light.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's for lightning experience, right? To go into lightning for
You're
lightning
saying
means
switch to lightning experience? Switch to Lightning
Yeah,
experience.
it's already there. So
Yes. See. Yeah. Okay. No problem. See. So Lightning Experience Transition Assistant is nothing but water. So if you want to upgrade your Salesforce application, classic application to the Lightning, if you want to upgrade, not switching. Switching is nothing but what you are
yes, got
moving.
it.
Upgrade means what? Upgrade means what? Whatever the
Already
classic
application
application
there.
has a, yes, already application is there. So that is in classic version, in classic experience. I want to migrate to the Lightning. I want to migrate to the Lightning, right? So if you want to migrate to the Lightning, and obviously you have to click here. That is Lightning Experience Transition Assistance, right? This is not switching, and this is a upgrade migration. Got it, right? So this is a left side. This is a left side. Mobile, that is different, leave it. And then after, so topmost left's completed, topmost right completed, and left side is completed. And middle of the page, see here, middle of the page. So if you're having any issues with your system overview, see, as an administrator, I want to know what are the things we're having, what are the limitations we're having. So here, two messages. Shiva, you have two messages, two things will be extended, right? Have a look on that issue. They are providing some, see here, informal message. Then after recent items, so what are the items you visited recently? See, whenever you open your my computer, in your computer, right, obviously there was one option is there, recent items visited, recent items visited, right? So just you have to, then quick links means what? So we can access directly, so without typing here or without going here, so we can access that information here, that information here. Got it. And then after left side, we're having a Salesforce advertisement. This is what? A Salesforce advertisement. This is what? Salesforce advertisement. The Salesforce advertisement will be available only on a Salesforce homepage. Only on a Salesforce homepage. Only on a Salesforce homepage. Right? Okay. So this is about Salesforce homepage component. So whenever you log into Salesforce, obviously we are able to see the screen. Okay, in this screen, what are the things we are having? In this screen, what are the things we are having? Right. In tomorrow's session, we'll see what is CRM. In tomorrow's session, we'll see what is CRM. CRM is nothing but what? A customer relationship management. Right. As a owner, as a business owner, how can I use CRM? As a business owner, how can I use a CRM? Got it. So as of now, up to this point, any doubts?
I have a question. Uh,
Hmm.
so so there are these two different things here, right? Switching to the Lightning, and then you were saying migrating to it, right? So
Hmm.
on the top right side that you have switched to the Lightning, yes,
Right.
right?
Right.
That
Right.
I understand because we just did that, like clicking on that, it goes back, so we can like flip it like back and forth, correct?
Yes.
But
Right.
then but then on your left hand side where you have this get started button, right? Once you click on that, so if we are in the
See.
classic, we get
See.
migrated to the Lightning.
Right. See, as of now, we didn't created any application. So once you created application, so when you click here, get started, obviously first you have to select your application, then it will gives one report. It will gives one report. See, Lightning is different and Classic is different, right?
Right.
Lightning is different, Classic is different. So when you click here, get started, it will gives one report about your application. Right.
Mm-hmm.
So what type of report? For example, in my application, let us take a 10 components. Let us take 10 components. Okay, out of these 10 components, how many components will be compatible with my Lightning? Got it? How many components will be compatible with my Lightning? For example, 6 components will be compatible with Lightning. Yeah. So then we need to create only 4. We need to create only 4 components in Lightning. No need to create the application scratch onwards in Lightning. Right? No need to create the application. Sorry, wait. Well, one good example is that we are
Uh-huh.
having two types of mobile OSs. One is what? One is Android
Right.
and one is iOS. Right?
Mhm.
Okay, so we build one application in Android. We build one application in Android. For
Mhm.
example, I want to migrate to the iOS. I want to migrate to the iOS. right? So then what we have to do, so first we need to check, okay, so what was the iOS rules and response, iOS policies, okay, so application build policies, right? Obviously we need to check it, right? So
Mhm.
when we check these information, okay, so how many components, how much of code will be compatible with iOS, so just we can, as it is, we can move to the iOS. Then after, what are the things is not compatible, so just we are customizing, and we are overriding the program. The same thing happened here also. The same thing happened here also. Okay, so what was the classic application we developed? Okay, if you want to migrate to the Lightning, so first we need to say how much, okay, how much code or how many components will be compatible with my Lightning. How many components will be compatible with my Lightning, right? So once you got the report, for example, see, out of 10 only one will be compatible with Lightning now, so then obviously we can start the development from the scratch onwards in Lightning. Why? Because one is not a big deal, right? So
Yeah.
minimum it is a 50% now, so then you can convert, then you can
Mhm.
convert, right? See, so that type of things will be comes in the future, not now, right?
Oh, got it. Yeah.
Yeah, anything else up to this
Mm.
point?
No,
Anything else up to this point?
no.
No. Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow, same timing, 5 p.m. IST, right? So we'll see. CRM, customer relationship management. As a business owner, how can I use my CRM? As a business owner, how can I get the customer? As a business owner, okay, how to maintain the customer data and everything. Next, as a customer, if I got any issue with my product, how can I get the service? Right?
Mhm.
Everything. See, so this type of information in tomorrow's session, right? So these are the basics but very important, right? These
Yeah.
are the basics but very important, so no one provide this type of information. If you go for the YouTube, or if you go for the Trailblazer or Trailhead, no one provide this information, right?
Right.
But these
Yeah.
are the basics. Obviously, as a Salesforce developer, we need to know. As a Salesforce developer, we need to know this information. Okay.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, so
Because
chalo, we will meet.
if
Yes, sir.
if the basics are clear, then you can like learn on the top of that, right? You just
Yes,
don't want to
see.
learn everything on the surface and then,
Yes, yes. See,
yeah,
one
that's
more thing. See, one more thing I can say. See, I'm not available lifetime for you. Not only you, for anyone. Okay.
Mhm.
So I'm giving only 70 to 75% of the knowledge only. So
Mhm.
remind the knowledge you have to gain from the different forums and different communities and different websites.
Mhm.
I will teach you like that. Okay,
Yeah.
so whatever the training, so starts from the, okay, so now today onwards, the everything will be hands-on experience. So today I given any notes to you, any theoretical information to you? No. So what
No.
was the 1 hour we are having? Okay, so that is a minimum time for us, right?
Mhm.
So if you want to go, we can continue up to 3 or 4 hours, but your
Mhm.
brain will be becomes a fry, right? So that's why, so daily, so 1 hour will be enough. Got it.
Oh,
So just you can follow my instructions. So why? Because so what was applications we are creating? That applications will be a real-time example, hands-on practice applications. Right? Okay. So just you are getting a real-time experience.
okay.
Okay.
Mhm. Thank you, Shiva.
Okay. So chalo. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay. So chalo. So I will update what was the recorded session with you, and see, before attending tomorrow's session, just recall what we discussed today. So just you
Yeah.
can watch the video once again, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So chalo, bye. We will meet tomorrow. Same
Bye.
time, same link. Same time,
Okay.
same link. So when anything will be updated, okay, I will send it to you on WhatsApp. Right?
Okay. Also,
Bye.
please send me yesterday's
Okay.
link, Shiva.
Yesterday link or video?
Recording.
A recorded session. Okay, sure. I will update on Google Drive. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Shiva.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.